Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many operating system enthusiasts might face. So, the problem we're looking at today revolves around understanding the virtual memory in operating systems while trying to run multiple instances of a memory allocation program. It seems that the expected behavior of running these instances simultaneously is not quite working out as planned. Let's dive in to see what's causing this hiccup. In the solution provided, it's mentioned that running the program in a bash environment will make it work as expected. The ampersand symbol normally indicates running a process in the background in bash. However, in PowerShell, it has a different meaning altogether. Surprisingly, the discrepancy in the interpretation of this symbol between the two environments could be causing the unexpected behavior. Don't you love when little things like this can lead to a big moment? Solution aside, it's crucial to remember that these small nuances in different operating systems and environments can truly impact how programs run. By simply switching to bash, the issue is resolved and the program behaves as intended. Understanding these subtleties can make a world of difference in troubleshooting similar problems in the future. And with that, we've cracked the case of the pesky program behavior. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Remember, in the world of operating systems, every symbol matters.